Imagine this, you're jetting off to a dream destination. No stress about logistics, no scrambling for reservations, just pure relaxation and enjoyment. That's the promise of luxury travel concierge services. Luxury travel concierge services act as your personal travel genie. They handle every detail, from booking flights and securing accommodations to crafting personalized itineraries and granting those special requests that transform a trip into an unforgettable experience. Their purpose is simple: to elevate your journey beyond the ordinary. They save you precious time, curate personalized adventures, and unlock access to exclusive experiences that most travelers only dream of. Imagine bypassing airport queues, securing coveted restaurant reservations, or enjoying VIP access to sold-out events, all orchestrated seamlessly by your dedicated concierge. That's the magic they bring to the table. Luxury travel concierge services encompass a spectrum of offerings designed to cater to your every travel whim. These services are tailored to provide an unparalleled travel experience, ensuring that every aspect of your journey is meticulously planned and executed. Whether you seek assistance with logistical complexities or crave bespoke experiences tailored to your passions, concierge services are there to make your travel dreams a reality. From the moment you start planning your trip to the time you return home, they are dedicated to providing exceptional service. There's a concierge service ready to assist with every detail, no matter how small. They are experts in anticipating your needs and providing solutions that enhance your travel experience. For seamless airport navigation, concierge services provide private airport transfers, ensuring you travel in comfort and style. These services are designed to eliminate the stress of airport logistics, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey. They whisk you through expedited security lines, saving you valuable time and providing a hassle-free airport experience. This VIP treatment ensures that you can move through the airport with ease and efficiency and grant access to luxurious airport lounges where you can unwind before your flight. These lounges offer a tranquil environment with premium amenities, allowing you to relax and recharge before your journey. When it comes to crafting your dream itinerary, concierge services shine. They take the time to understand your preferences and interests, creating a travel plan that is uniquely yours. They curate personalized travel plans based on your interests, ensuring that every activity and destination is tailored to your desires. This bespoke approach guarantees a memorable and fulfilling travel experience. Leveraging local expertise to unearth hidden gems, concierge services provide insider knowledge that allows you to discover unique and off-the-beaten-path experiences. These hidden treasures add a special touch to your journey. They secure reservations at acclaimed restaurants and sought-after activities, ensuring you have access to the best dining and entertainment options. This level of service guarantees that you enjoy the finest experiences available, but it doesn't stop there. Concierge services are adept at handling special requests and surprises, making your travel experience truly extraordinary. Celebrating a birthday, they'll arrange a private chef's table or a hot air balloon ride over breathtaking landscapes. These personalized touches make your special occasions even more memorable. Planning a romantic getaway? They'll orchestrate a candlelit dinner on a secluded beach or a private tour of a historic castle. These romantic experiences are designed to create unforgettable memories. With their expertise and dedication, concierge services transform ordinary trips into extraordinary adventures. They handle every detail, allowing you to relax and enjoy the journey. Whether it's a luxury vacation, a business trip, or a special celebration, concierge services ensure that your travel experience is nothing short of exceptional. Navigating the bustling world of airports can often be the most stressful part of any journey, but with a luxury travel concierge by your side, airports transform into gateways of ease and comfort. Imagine this. Your private chauffeur greets you upon arrival, whisking you away to a dedicated terminal entrance. Security lines become a breeze as you're expedited through, leaving ample time to relax in the plush comfort of an exclusive airport lounge. Inside the lounge, you're met with an oasis of tranquility. Indulge in complimentary refreshments, catch up on work with high-speed Wi-Fi, or simply unwind with a book in a serene setting. And when it's time to board, your concierge ensures a seamless transition, guiding you to your gate and even assisting with any last-minute needs. With airport logistics handled with such precision and care, your journey becomes an extension of the luxurious experience that awaits you at your destination. The true essence of luxury travel lies in crafting a journey that reflects your individual passions and desires. It's about creating a personalized experience that goes beyond the ordinary, transforming your trip into a unique adventure tailored just for you. This is where the artistry of concierge-led trip planning and customization truly shines. A skilled concierge can turn your travel dreams into reality, meticulously planning every detail to ensure your journey is seamless and unforgettable. Forget generic itineraries and cookie-cutter tours. These one-size-fits-all approaches often miss the mark. Failing to capture the essence of what makes travel truly special, your concierge takes the time to understand your interests, preferences, and even your quirks. They listen to your stories, your past travel experiences, and your future aspirations. Are you a history buff, eager to explore ancient ruins? Imagine walking through the remnants of civilizations long past, guided by an expert who brings history to life. A foodie on a quest for culinary delights. Picture yourself savoring gourmet meals at hidden gems and Michelin-starred restaurants, each dish a new adventure for your taste buds. Or perhaps an adventure seeker drawn to adrenaline-pumping activities. Envision yourself conquering thrilling challenges, from skydiving to deep-sea diving, each moment a testament to your courage. Armed with this knowledge, they weave together a tapestry of experiences that speak to your soul. Every moment is carefully curated to ensure it resonates with your personal journey. They uncover hidden local gems, secure reservations at Michelin-starred restaurants, and introduce you to culinary experiences that are both exquisite and exclusive. And open doors to exclusive events and attractions, often inaccessible to the general public. Imagine attending a private concert or gaining VIP access to a high-profile event. Imagine exploring the backstreets of Paris with a private guide, discovering the city's hidden charms and secret spots that only locals know. Gaining insider access to a renowned art collection where you can appreciate masterpieces away from the crowds. Or embarking on a helicopter tour over majestic glaciers, witnessing the breathtaking beauty of nature from a perspective few ever experience. These are just a glimpse into the transformative power of a meticulously crafted itinerary. Each journey is a unique story, a collection of moments that leave a lasting impression, turning your travel dreams into cherished memories. While seamless logistics and personalized itineraries form the foundation of luxury travel concierge services, it's their ability to fulfill special requests and orchestrate unforgettable surprises that truly sets them apart. Imagine surprising your loved one with a romantic dinner on a private balcony overlooking the twinkling cityscape, or celebrating a milestone birthday with a private concert featuring their favorite musician. Concierge services thrive on exceeding expectations and transforming dreams into reality. They have access to a network of exclusive providers and vendors, enabling them to curate truly unique and unforgettable experiences. Whether it's arranging a private shopping experience with a renowned designer, securing tickets to a sold-out sporting event, or organizing a helicopter tour over breathtaking landscapes, no request is too extravagant or too intricate. With a concierge by your side, be prepared to be amazed and delighted at every turn. Finding your perfect travel companion, a guide to concierge providers. With the allure of stress-free travel and bespoke experiences, it's no wonder luxury travel concierge services are gaining popularity. But with numerous providers vying for attention, how do you choose the perfect one for your needs? Start by researching different concierge companies and understanding their areas of expertise. Some specialize in specific destinations, while others cater to particular interests like adventure travel or culinary journeys. Next, delve into their pricing models. Some offer tiered memberships with varying levels of service, while others operate on a per-trip fee structure. Understanding these models will help you select a provider that aligns with your budget. Don't underestimate the power of online reviews and testimonials. They offer valuable insights into the experiences of past clients and can help you gauge the level of service and responsiveness you can expect. The value of seamless travel, unveiling the benefits of concierge services. Investing in a luxury travel concierge service is an investment in seamless, stress-free, and truly unforgettable journeys. But the benefits extend far beyond mere convenience. Imagine a world where travel logistics fade into the background, replaced by a sense of ease and tranquility. With a concierge handling every detail, you're free to fully immerse yourself in the joys of exploration and discovery. Concierge services also unlock access to a realm of exclusivity. Imagine securing reservations at the most coveted restaurants, gaining entry to sold-out events, and enjoying VIP treatment at every turn. But perhaps the most transformative benefit is the power of customization. Your concierge takes the time to understand your passions and desires, crafting a tailor-made itinerary that reflects your individual travel dreams. Making the right choice. Tips for selecting the perfect concierge. Selecting the right concierge can make or break your travel experience, especially when it comes to luxury travel. Navigating the world of luxury travel concierge services can feel overwhelming. With so many options available, it's easy to feel lost in a sea of choices. With so many providers offering enticing packages and promises of unforgettable experiences, how do you choose the perfect one for your unique needs? It's important to take a step back and evaluate what you truly want from your travel experience. First and foremost, consider your budget and travel style. Are you looking for a high-end, all-inclusive experience, or do you prefer a more tailored, budget-conscious approach? Luxury concierge services come at varying price points, so it's essential to find one that aligns with your financial comfort zone. Remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best fit for everyone. Next, delve into the world of online reviews and testimonials. These can be a goldmine of information, offering real-life experiences from past clients. They offer a glimpse into the experiences of past clients and can provide valuable insights into a concierge's responsiveness, professionalism, and ability to deliver on their promises. Look for patterns in the reviews. Consistent praise or recurring issues can be telling. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to potential concierges and engage in a conversation. This is your chance to ask specific questions and gauge their expertise. Ask about their expertise, their network of contacts, and their approach to crafting personalized itineraries. A good concierge will be eager to share their knowledge and demonstrate their value. A genuine connection and a shared understanding of your travel aspirations are essential for a truly rewarding partnership. When you find a concierge who listens to your needs and aligns with your vision, you're on your way to an unforgettable travel experience. Elevate your journey. Embrace the world of luxury travel concierge. Luxury travel concierge services are no longer a privilege reserved for the elite. They've evolved into a gateway for discerning travelers seeking to elevate their journeys, unlock exclusive experiences, and create lasting memories. Imagine a world where travel is no longer a source of stress, but rather a seamless and enriching adventure, where every detail is meticulously handled, every desire anticipated, and every moment infused with a touch of magic. That's the promise of luxury travel concierge services, to transform your travel dreams into a breathtaking reality. So why wait? Embrace the world of personalized travel, unlock exclusive access, and embark on a journey where every detail is tailored to your desires. The world awaits, and with a concierge by your side, it's yours to explore.